Yeah, so right now we just stopped in the gas station to get some gas. We got like 45 minutes to where we get to where we're going. So now we're just about to pick up something small to eat. Too much on.
Gotta get them beef patties.
How many ones?
2. 1.
Yeah.
Gotta try them Jamaican beef patty.
Oh God.
Just in time.
Yeah, so I'm about to beef patty. I don't like it.
What?
Alright y'all, so we just got off the bus. It was like an hour and 45 minute drive from my hotel. So now we're about to walk to the boat. And I believe we're doing snorkeling. Then we're gonna ride over to Dunn's River. So that should be a good adventure.
Y'all make sure you stay tuned. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel.
Yes, make sure you like this video.
Yes, sir. So y'all, this is just one of the bars right here that I got over here before we board. Hey.
Alright y'all, so we just got on the boat. We just got our snorkel gear on. About to go snorkeling. I know we're cold, y'all. Everybody getting their gear.
It's up to you. I don't like what's up there.
Got the GoPro ready. Got the snorkel gear. So guys, we're gonna see you when we get inside. All right, go ahead, baby. Jump in. Jump in. Let's go. Woo! Jump back, jump back.
So the sun finally came out. Now we're about to head back to that way and enjoy the party.
Hey, here go the party.
You got me going crazy. Turn me on.
Cheers, baby. Are you ready? Are you ready?
wanna see that birthday cake.
Birthday girl.
All right, y'all. So we just got here to the birthday dinner. So we at this Asian little spot. I don't know what the food is like. I think it's like buffet style.
Yeah, buffet style.
Buffet style. So y'all just sit down. Well, y'all, it's my birthday. I'm excited. Everybody's here, you know, celebrating the, you know, special occasion. It's my 30th. And I hope you guys are liking this vlog so far. Give it a thumbs up. You are amazing.
You continue to grow.
Continue to be consistent.
And I wish her the both of you are the best.
Wow, wow, wow. Second trip. Cheers to bit 3-0. Y'all, she left me hanging. It's all good.
Out on the rain last night.
Y'all, I had to change to the Jamaican colors. Alright, y'all, so we just took shots. Now everybody head to the show and the party. Have a great time.
Great time. Get these drinks going.
Yes, sir.
Yes, got to head out. So y'all come with us. And make sure you give this video big thumbs up.
Jamaica, man.
It's like you fit in.
Y'all, the crew rolling up to the show. I don't know what they got going on right now. Ooh, they been packed.
Every table filled.
Good morning, family.
Hey.
So this is the next day. Last night we had a good time. We just had breakfast and then we booked our transportation and then we get the COVID test. Look at her. Is it real?
Alicia, your birthday was lit.
Yeah, y'all, they about to get out of here.
Had a great time in Jamaica, man.
Yeah, it was fun.
Don't kill them, but
Which ones?
touch it again. Alright, all of them.
Oh, man, that's tight. So if you touch this little plant, it'll close up. Like, look at that.
Oh,
Dang, that's crazy.
all of them.
We just walking to the beach area. They got the bungalows over there. I don't know if y'all can see. So y'all, this is just the back of the resort. The beach area.
Yeah, I'm gonna go test the water, see what it feels like.
good. Jamaica, man. Yeah, man. So y'all, they about to have a contest right now. I don't know what they doing, but it's like they swimming down to the end and back. I don't know.
15 Jamaican seconds. You're gonna get inside the pool. You're gonna swim from that side to this side. I don't want to see nobody running. This is not a relay. Swim. Now we got jet number 1 in the pool. Really, get him under control, sir. Yes. Listen to me. Here we go. Swim it out, swim it out, swim it out. Sir, you're going to drop down. Give me 10 push-ups. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jump, 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 jump. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Clap, show some love for Jamaica. Hands in the air, here we go. I want to see everybody going like this. Here we go. Let's go. Somebody stop him over here. Yeah. Yeah. Now let's pull back. Drop down. Give me 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jump, 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 jump. Here we go. Hands in the air. Let's wave it real quick. Let's wave it to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left.
Cheers. Woo.
Gotta kill it before we get on the bus, y'all.
Peer pressure.
Hi, how are you?
Accent, I'm the flu. Flu.
Oh, you say unemployed?
No, the plug. The plug. You know?
Put her in the back.
He's the plug for anything that you need.
Yeah,
He's the guy to go to. Oh, okay. You know, oh, girl, you know, I don't know how that
Send me the location.
My mom is big here.
Woo, y'all, so we just got here to Pier 1. We just got here to Pier 1. First time here, so y'all, I'm ready to see what it's all about. And y'all just join us. Let's go.
Yep. Oh, that's some girls from the hotel.
Or
From the resort to the left right there.
Just work it out. Y'all not too cold, are you?
all right, y'all, so we just got here to Pier 1. We sat down at this little hot top, so I'm about to order some food and some drinks and, you know, get the festivities started.
Yep, I'm gonna show y'all the food, the menu. It's already looking tasty.
Y'all, last night, enjoyed everybody. Everybody have a safe trip back home. Shot, and to the birthday girl tomorrow.
All right, y'all, so now we're just waiting on our food. We're just relaxing, getting some drinks going.
Like, I can only imagine how it looks during the day, but it also looks beautiful at night.
I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all like this video. Hope y'all enjoying it. And so, yeah.
Get some plates now.
Here we go.
Y'all, it's the onions for me. You got the oxtail.
Ooh, y'all, the food was good. We enjoyed it. Now we're about to dip.
For the I can't see you. Money. For your love, it's too.
You know I got body. I don't wanna forget. Now we had a good time. I won't be foolish.
Birthday? Go birthday, girl.
One hop this time. Right foot, let's go. Oh, yeah. Can you go down low? All the way to the floor?
Ooh, y'all look at this, man. It's a beautiful day while we're getting ready to leave. So sad, so sad. All right, y'all, so that's a wrap for the trip. Hope you enjoyed watching the vlog. We had a great time in Montego Bay. Loved it. Good vibes only, man. But guys, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button.
Out.